So this time I took 30 days journaling challenge. Yes. Before I used to hear that people say that journaling helps. Every successful person does journaling, but I used to think that it's not my kind of thing. It's not my cup of tea because it's only made for those successful person, not for me. And I used to wonder that how only one habit, which is journaling, definitely can change a person. So, is there any truth? So, let's give it a try. So, I gave it a try, and yes, I got an amazing result. So, this video is all about my 30 days challenge experience, and I'm also going to share the benefits that I understood within just 30 days. So, let's get into the video. Today was my first day of journaling, and I have already started feeling very happy and I'm feeling very satisfied because if you do journaling, you are actually be accountable of your day. Feeling like I know myself a little bit. I know my goals. Before also I knew my goals, but the problem is that we don't be on track always. But if you do journaling on a daily basis, it will help you to be on track, and I think I should do it every day. First few days were amazing. I was fully motivated, but I was always tensed about my consistency. As I said, I tried goal-oriented journaling, so I shortlisted two types of questions. These are the questions that I answer on a weekly basis, like let's say every Sunday or every Saturday. You just pick one day and do. And these are the questions I answer on a daily basis. So let me tell you one more thing, that these are the questions were very helpful for me. It may not be helpful for you because your goal and my goal is different, maybe different. So you can take some inspiration from here and just write your own way. And I have also given some links about journaling prompts. You can take inspiration from there as well. My main motive is to start. When I have started journaling, I also started from different questions, but while writing, while answering, I understood that this is not my type of question, this is not helping me, and automatically I found out that what are the questions that are going to help me in my problem, in my goal. So I answer them only. So you also start from, just choose some questions that you feel like it's helpful for you to reach your goal, and then start. Automatically it's not helpful, you will automatically understand and you will find out. Today was my 4th day of journaling, and I can seriously say that I have already started feeling very motivated. I'm feeling very motivated that I'm working towards my goal. Right now I have idea that what I did the day before yesterday. I also said that I always have a mood swing problem, like I am somebody who feels very 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 sad sometimes good, like mood swing problem. I don't know why this is, but I have this issue. So I filmed the video for several days. As you can see, I used to do journaling, but I didn't film it. I'm sorry for that. So today was my 17th or 18th day maybe of journaling. So I can share my experience till now. It's amazing to journal. It's really amazing. I have never thought that it can be so beneficial, journaling. I can see a huge change in me. I can't see any change in my life because to change life it takes time, but I can see change in myself. And if you change yourself, then you can change your life, your world, whatever you want. Okay. Sorry. So this is what I am feeling. I am feeling very blessed of starting this habit. If you have a goal to accomplish in your life, then please start journaling. Okay. So this is what I feel today. I was very sure that I am going to do like for a few days and I'm not going to complete this challenge. So this was the conception about myself that I had earlier. So sometimes if you feel like you're not going to do it or you're not able to do it, it could be your perception too. So just give it a try, don't give up. So when I started, it's not that I didn't miss any day, definitely. I think 2-3 days I have missed during 30 days challenge, but still I didn't quit. You want to know the reason? Yes. Basically within that span of time, I understood the benefits of journaling. Amazing benefits I got at least within 30 days, and I'm sure that I'm going to do it for the rest of my life. totally fine, don't do it. Okay, so this is the main thing. Today was my, I don't know which day it is, but I am feeling very sleepy, and it's late. I think it's already past 12. It's already 12. So make sure that whenever you write, you don't do that much late. Otherwise, you won't get the feeling, or you don't get that enthusiastic, or you won't feel very happy while writing your journal. So make sure that when you are writing journal, you are writing for your life, your dreams. So make sure that you write with positivity, with positive attitude, with happiness. So if you feel lazy like me, as I am feeling very sleepy, this is not the way, this is not the correct way. So from tomorrow I am going to write as earlier as I can. So that's it. Good night. Not only journaling, but for more habit also help me to be productive within 30 days. Don't worry, I'm coming with that video first. Now the benefits that I understood within 30 days are, it helped me to be focused. Like every day you are reminding yourself with all these questions that what are your goals, how much you are working, where you are, and how much time it will take to reach your goal, how far it is right now from where you are, how far it will take to reach your goal. So these are the questions, meaning that you're reminding yourself. When you are reminding yourself with these questions, you will automatically feel like, no, I should work hard. You will feel like, when I missed like 2-3 days, as I said. So when I used to write journaling, still I used to feel very regret. I used to regret that, oh my god, I didn't take the opportunity. One day is equal to one opportunity. So I missed it. So I used to think like, no, tomorrow I have to give my best. And automatically tomorrow, like the next day when I used to wake up, I could not remember that what I felt last night, but still I'm sure that I have improved, like my working skills. Like I worked much more harder than normally. So it happens. You don't have to force yourself. Automatically your subconscious mind take it. Okay. So journaling means what? It means you're giving some information to your subconscious mind or yourself. It's like you're discussing with yourself about yourself. You are discussing about you with yourself. So it is very helpful. And yes, I was talking about the benefit. The second benefit I got is that it kept me very motivated, and it helped me to stay focused. Like you feel motivated when you know your goals, and you know how much you have to work. So you feel very motivated, and also it makes your life very accountable. Like as I said, like you know that what you did tomorrow, you know what you did last month, you know what you are going to do the day before, the day after tomorrow. Yes. So you know what you are going to do. So it's like your life is so accountable. You know that you know your goal. You have an idea about that. So it's very important. Like I also read books, and every author says that it's very important to just put down your goals in a pen or in a paper, on a paper, because that's when your mind catches that what are the things that you are taking seriously. Otherwise we get lots of thoughts in our mind, like 60,000 thoughts in our mind. So it doesn't understand which one you want to take seriously. But when you write something, it gets an idea that what are the things that you feel important, and it's give you, and it's help you to do that or achieve that. Today was my last day of 30 days of journaling challenge. It's been so amazing. This month was so productive. I can't even tell you that how much happy I am for being productive. Today's day were not very productive for me, but most of the days were productive, so I'm very happy for that. And yes, I'm very happy, and definitely I'm going to continue this habit for rest of my life. Let me clear one more myth, which is like, if you start journaling, if you do journaling, that does it mean that you won't feel demotivated, you won't feel low? So yes, definitely I felt low, I felt demotivated. But the thing is that, normally it takes time to back on track. But if you do journaling, I don't know how, but it helped me to come back on track very soon. Like today, maybe I'm feeling very low, demotivated. But when I was writing that, I used to feel like no, like it was just temporary feeling. But my success, my goals, they're permanent. I want them in my life. So don't put this temporary thing in your way. So this was the thoughts that I got during writing my journaling, and suddenly the next day I felt very motivated and positive, and I worked, I mean, much harder than expected normally. So these are the things that I felt during doing journaling, and I feel very happy. I'm very grateful for God that I thought of, like, he gave me the idea of starting this challenge, and it was really amazing. So I'm sure that I'm going to do it rest of my life, and every successful person does. If you want to be successful like me, if you want to be successful, so start that. If you are also trying to improve yourself like me, then you also do this, you also do take this challenge. And if you are taking challenge, then please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Surabhi Banerjee Official. I have given the link in my description. You can check from there as well. So just go and tag me. And if you have any question, comment below, and you can also write me on Instagram. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm coming with this kind of challenges that are going to help me or help you as well. I'm coming with that only. Bye.